It's July 17th. I was in my hive again this morning and at the house, and it seemed like they were getting ready to split again. They're starting to build a bunch of queen cells. So I did another split. Inside one of the queen cell cups, I seen they had put a larvae in and they started feeding it the royal jelly. So I figured, well, shoot, I guess I'm going to have to split this thing again. So I did that, put them in just a single deep, and moved that to Gary Lee's Woods. While I was there, I inspected that hive, and that one is doing absolutely fantastic. I actually spotted the queen. She is laying eggs like there's no tomorrow. She is filling up a lot of frames. I seen 3.5 frames is completely full of eggs. There's a couple more full of capped brood. So that thing is due to explode here in another week. And all the eggs she's laid today, you know, they say 16 days after she lays an egg, those hatch. So that one's really going to take off. So I did something different. The top brood box, they wasn't doing a whole lot to it. So just as an experiment, I swapped the boxes. I put the empty box on the bottom. I put the one with the queen on top of that one, and then I got a queen excluder, and then a honey super on top of that. So we'll see if they go down and if they start making honeycomb in that bottom one now or not. Maybe that'll stimulate them to do that, and then the queen will drop down there and start laying even more eggs. So we'll check that out in a couple days and see how that's going. I might switch it back. I don't know. It just depends on how it's going. Being a new beekeeper, this is all extremely new to me, so the only way I can learn things is sometimes you make a mistake and then learn not to do that again. So we'll figure that out. The other hive that I moved over is queenless, but there's queen cells in there. So hopefully they'll be making another queen. I went ahead and I took off the thing so they could get in and get out, because I'm more than 2 miles away from my house. And I also stuck a stick right in front of it and put a rag on it. That way when they come out, they know which hive to go back into. So I heard that tip on YouTube. We'll see if that works. Like I said, in a couple of days I'll go back there and still see if I have any bees in that one. Otherwise, you know, we'll see if they migrate over to where the other queen is. So maybe we'll just have to make another queen cell and stick it in there and go from there and try to figure out what to do. So till then, bye.
There she is. Right there. Good girl. Disappear. You need to get one of them paint things and mark it.